Hey guys, Matthew with rooferagent.com, North America's #1 roofing marketing agency. Go ahead, if you like content like this, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the bell notification below to receive more information. But today we're going over how to build a website for roofers. Now, if you haven't visited any of my other videos, go ahead, check those out. We've created a playlist specifically for your guys' needs there. But today is video number 9, and what we're going to be going through is installing Elementor Pro and really building a nice looking header for your guys' roofing website. Now, if you want to go ahead, you're already here, right? You've created your logo, you've given it some services, you've created a menu, you've gotten the basics of a page, right? It's starting to actually kind of look like a web page, but now what the heck do we do in order to get this looking professional and start um, looking good for specifically reasons of conversion rate optimization? Now, if you guys don't know, conversion rate optimization is when we optimize a website specifically designed for your roofing business. So what I want to do here is I want to go back into my dashboard under WordPress admin, and I want to go into plugins. Now, if I go into install plugins, you'll notice we've already got Elementor. What we want to do is we want to get Elementor Pro. Now, it's going to ask you for a variety of payment options. Here, I already have an Elementor account, so I'm going to be logging in and creating my Elementor account, linking into my Elementor account from here. But you can do up to 1 website, up to 3 websites, up to 25 websites. And really, 1 website is all you guys need. It's going to cost you $59 a year. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to create our Elementor Pro account. I've already got an Elementor Pro account, so go ahead, create that account, invest the extra money, you guys. It's going to end up paying off in mega dividends there for your roofing business. Now, we're logged in, and we've got Medicine Hat Roofer, and then Roofer Agent, of course, over here, and a couple of other websites I've built in the past. What I want to do is I want to go into the top right-hand corner, and I want to go to Elementor Pro Advanced, which is my download section. And what that's going to do is it's going to create a plugin for me that allows me to go in and add new plugin in this top left-hand corner. So now I want to go upload plugin, and we're going to go ahead and we're just going to wait for these downloads here. 4.1 megabytes, not bad. Keeps your your website nice and light, which is what we're looking for. And we want to go install now. Now guys, if you don't know how to install Elementor, go back to one of my videos there, earlier videos there. It will teach you how to install Elementor for your roofing business. We're going to go ahead and click install now once again. Sometimes these plugins can be a little bit finicky, and they can take their time. We're just going to go ahead and try that one more time. See, I'm going to tell you guys right now that this is by no means a perfect process. Sometimes you just have to wait. Technology is one of those things. Even some of the most best built plugins in the WordPress marketplace do take their time to be installed. Go ahead, loading. My internet's being a little bit slow today. Bingo. All right, now the plugin is installed. We're going to go ahead and we're going to click Activate Plugin. And now that you have this, you should see Elementor Pro inside of your account here. Now what you want to do is you want to go connect and activate. Activate my license. It should hook you up with your account. Bam. Look at that. Now we've got an Elementor Pro. You'll notice that you have all of these settings, including custom code, which is going to become important later on, especially if you want to install um, tags related to conversion tracking when it comes to Google advertising, custom fonts, custom icons, element managers, tools, those kinds of things. More importantly, it's going to give you a couple of different extra appearance settings when it comes to your theme and customizing your theme settings. All right, so now that we're here, we want to go back in and visit the site, and we're taking a look at the header today. What we want to do is we want to go back into our dashboard. We want to go Elementor. We want to go to Theme Builder under Templates. And we want to click on this little header button. What this is going to do is it's going to bring up a variety of headers for us that give us the option to choose from some different headers. Now, I do have my personal favorites just because they do tend to convert a heck of a lot better than anything else. If you want to take a look at the Elementor header that you're going to be installing, then this is the opportunity to take a look at one of those things right now. So this is something that you can do. Again, really easy, simple to use process. What I'm going to do is I'm going to actually generate variations. So inside of Elementor, you can generate a variety of different variations when it comes to your Elementor header. And it'll give you a couple of options to play with and a couple of options to look at. That did not work, so we're going to back up. Back in a header. Generate variations. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. This is what we're going to use. And basically what we want to look for inside of this header option is we want to look for stickiness. And basically what that means is it's going to stick to the top of the header design. Now, if you don't have, or if you've designed your own header and you want to create something that's going to be sticky, you can just go into Advanced by clicking on your header, Motion Effects, and Sticky in the top so that it sticks to the bottom of the top, or the top of the page there, and it becomes sticky. Now that's going to be important because I'm going to end up teaching you guys how to build a pop-up that essentially collects your guys' customer lead information, so you can start generating leads to your business asset, your business website. But we're going to go ahead and we're going to edit out these images, and basically all we do is now it's just click and play. You want to click on the logo. All right, now that became really tiny, so what we want to do is we want to go max width 100 and then bring up the height. And then go publish. Now, you'll notice that because we already created the menu for flat roofing as well as your resources, your blog, your About Us page, and your home, those resources are already going to appear there. What I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and just bring this down a bit. If you want to, what you can do is you can improve your margins. Basically link or unlink your margins, and what that does is when you link your margins, if you increase all of it, it's going to increase all of it respectfully down the page. What we want to do is we just want to go top and just bring it a little bit down from the top. Bang, there you go. You want to go publish. Okay, so now you've reached this screen. What do you want to do with this display template? Well, we're going to add a condition. Basically, the condition is going to be it's the entire site. So this is something that we want to include in the entire site because this is our header, you guys. This is something that's going to end up generating us leads when our customers are exploring around a page. So we're going to want to go save and close, and we're going to hit the publish icon. And congratulations, you've just built a really professional header. Like, share, and subscribe the video below. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you guys how to start building out your first home page in our next coming videos, as well as show you guys how to create really clever, really nice looking pop-ups that capture lead information and lead your clients off to the next page. Thanks.